Good afternoon, world. Welcome to another episode of Dr. Nate Live. Saturday, September 23rd, 2023. Hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. And where I left off yesterday was kind of questioning about where Unity's at and how end users have felt about Unity and how they feel about Unity, because today they totally backpedaled a lot of things. Hearing from some other developers in the development community, and everybody's been talking with me about some things. Basically, Unity completely backpedaled their entire installation of malware and redid their entire licensing agreement over the past 2 days, since so many people were upset that they implemented some sort of malware into their system. And the problem is they didn't even tell you what the code was, who it went to, where it went. And as a developer, you like to see where it's going. You like to know what that code is doing, because the other side of that was I was telling people basically all the antivirus software is going to end up deleting all the Unity games and apps because, very simply, they see that malware installation as a basic no-no, and they delete it as malware. And after noticing that a lot of the platforms started dropping them, the executives, I think, changed their minds really quickly about implementing something like that and stopped doing that. But it's a little too late. I feel they may have damaged that Unity community quite a bit. I was following Thomas Brush a little bit over the weekend and noticed that only 22% of the current active developer market that is in Unity will be still using Unity because of poor leadership choices. Throw me your feedback, DoctorNateLive@gmail.com. I'd like to hear what you have to say about this ongoing debacle with Unity. Other than that, enjoy your weekend. You have a great weekend. See you all tomorrow for another great episode of Dr. Nate Live. Have a good day, everybody. Be safe.